Hi everyone, this is Malavika John from English House. I'm so sorry, I'm quite parched.
Sorry, what?
I'm very thirsty.
Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you. So notice how I said very thirsty and I used a different word that is parched instead of very thirsty. So English language le nammal palaporayitte use cheyyunna oru vaakana ee very. The problem is it can get quite repetitive, can't it? So that's why I'm going to introduce 5 new alternatives to you today. So the first word that I have for you is an alternative to big. For example, my friend owns a very big house. So instead of saying very big, you can say massive. So it goes, my friend owns a massive house. So the next word that I have for you is an alternative to crowded. For example, the streets were very crowded before the pandemic. And if we're going to change that, it would be the streets were bustling before the pandemic. Now, the third word that I have for you is an alternative to very busy. I can't make it to the party today. I'm very busy. So instead of that, you can say, I can't make it to the party today. I'm swamped with work. Now, the last word that I have for you is an alternative to difficult. So I'm going to start with an example. I went on a trek recently to the hills of Munnar and it was quite difficult, or it was very difficult. So instead of that, you could use the word arduous. I went on a trek recently and it was quite arduous. So that's it. You have 5 brand new vocabulary added to your list and you better use it next time.
English House. English at your fingertips.